traffic jam vibes vlog. The new digitalization AI system, it actually predicted us that it's going to be wet the next corner. Traffic jam, people turning around. Because we are in this fabulous HKS modified Swift, and we're supposed to go out for a lap, and then the track closed right in front of us. Because everyone is queuing up to go on track again, because it was like raining, dry, now it's dry again. So yeah, I guess well, someone might have sent it too hard. So usually I would turn around and go back to Vulcan Alpha, but now I'm thinking like, let's do a vlog, yay. So how your day has been?
Yeah, it's been perfect.
So yeah, what I was thinking, we could turn around, wait there, and I was thinking, oh, I should actually pick up my main camera and so we can do a vlog. And I was thinking, I started doing vlogs on my phone, so I might as well just use my phone. We're gonna park up, we're gonna do some car spotting, and we're gonna have the old school phone vlog and see what it's all about today. Like I said, it's nice and shiny, but also very cloudy, and it's gonna be a bit wet, but lots of cool cars out there today. Let's see if we see anything different from yesterday. Definitely some traffic jam car spotting vibes. So look at that M5. It looks like it's raining down there already onto the like Ho 8 and stuff. Sad, not the best day. Oh, there's a rainbow. Kinda, a bit. Yeah, this means there's definitely rain. Yes, great, super happy. Not. And here's the rain. Well, the sun is still shining, but there's a big cloud above us. Fantastic. Fancy color, as well as the plate. Decided to ditch the car up the road and just walk up here. It's cold today. Hello. Good to see people having fun, so much fun. Okay, so some car spotting begins. Oh, that's a big wing. Very big. The biggest. The advantage of filming with my phone is the much better zoom quality than I have with my camera, with the A7S III. Oh, Clio. I actually will be driving a Clio today, a full carbon fiber one. Well, partially carbon fiber one. I hope I will be driving it today because, yeah, the track is on and off. Don't know what happened so far. Do we want to see anything here? Those are mostly Marshall cars here. It's not really parking anymore. Although we have some like UK plated Civic. Touring. Cars are still coming up, and it's been closed for almost half an hour now. So, hello. Lots of people, lots of more than yesterday. Hey, how's the track? Is it dry, wet?
Wet.
Wet.
Very wet, I think.
All right. Well, and you're on Cup 2s, huh? Cup 2 life. Good. Enjoy. Well, I guess it's gonna be one of those wet laps. Oh, look at that Miata with a wing, with the WTF license plate. Nice, nice wing. Well, I guess let's do some car spotting bits, right? Yeah. Well, how many percent we're gonna see Porsche and BMW? Well, by now already 100% in this particular frame, and also in this particular frame. Oh, look at that, we have a lost Audi and a Fiesta ST and another Civic and another Civic with the lap times that it's been doing, I guess. That's actually a very nice use of a dirt on your car. Convenient. GT4 RS with a multi-window banner, but would it be an MR? No, I guess not. So 944, one of the cars that I might accidentally end up. Oh, look at that. Oh, hello. What I want to say, 944 might be one of the cars that I accidentally end up buying. Not a turbo though, because I have a sort of like an attainable dream, a 944 in a ruby stone red, white interior, and a convertible to cruise just in Croatia with Maggie and dogs optionally in the back seats. The NS6 that we saw yesterday already, but now in much better sunlight, and also from my phone and not from the camera. Fiesta ST 150. We have further down, we have a nice GT3 manual that I've driven earlier this year already, and I'm invited to drive it again this weekend because it has received a couple of more mods. Namely, last time we drove it, it had the wing in its flattest setting, which kinda was lacking downforce, but now it should be better. But in these conditions, I don't think I'm gonna try to do anything because, yeah, reasons. It's a nice CRS, by the way. The rears are new, so should be good, should be good. For the rest, we have Is that a Supra? Yep, that's definitely a Supra. Also, again, the same car from yesterday. There are lots of people out there standing in front of something. So this could mean that there is something interesting, or they're just like chilling. The KTM is, by the way, I think one of the cars I'm supposed to drive today. Seems like it. I think so. But yeah, it's a bit wet today. Hello. It's a bit wet today for a KTM. So sad. Yeah, I love a KTM. Especially after I drove a GT XR, of course, but also those. Nice, manual, fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. So, central pipe. It's missing a wing, but it has a bit of a something going on here. So, that is nice. Very beautiful.
Durchgang in die Nordseite ist ab sofort wieder für Touristenfahrten geöffnet. Nur für Pkw, keine Motorräder.
Alright.
The tent is open for tourist driving. Only cars, no motorbikes.
Alright, well, let's go. Everyone is doing a running Le Mans start, as you can see. Run, run, run. Hi, hi. Very cool, very cool. Well, let's go do some laps then. It's gonna get spicy busy. Ooh, look at that. The Dakar yellow E36 with a nice carbon fiber spoiler on the back. Beautiful. And look at that Stancy E30. Not sure if I seen it yesterday already. I'm sure I did. I'm not sure if I filmed it. Oh well, compact, beautiful. And then we have a RS. No, it's an S4, but also nice. And our friend Jonathan. Hello. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good seeing you.
I hear you're about to go up with Scott.
I'm going now in the Swift. Yes.
I think he's up there.
Yeah. No, I was with him in the car, so we just came over now, so we're gonna go and do some laps.
Have a good day.
Yeah, I heard you've been driving fast yesterday.
I've been trying.
Yeah, good. Still need to go out with you in this one, so we'll do that. Stance. Ooh, Type R. That must be a bachelor party. What is this in abomination of Jesus? All right, big wing. Team Banana. Why is the car not yellow? So many questions, so much confusion. Huh. Hello. Ah, look. He's gonna tell me how I cannot drive because it's not dry. What?
It's dry now.
Is it?
Yeah,
well, I'm gonna try now, so let's see.
Oh yeah, do you want to...
I'm here with the Swift, so... And then, yeah, well... Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's do that. Ooh, that's a fabulous color. Love the color. Hey. Oh, nice seat. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Enjoy your laps. That's very, very nice. Love it. Hello. Ooh, that's a car I would love to try. Sounds like a diesel, I think. Hello. Hello. All of the hellos. Back in the car now. And look at that very relevant message. Always remember, just don't die. Have fun in life, don't die, and don't annoy others. Fast forward, we done a lap, we finished the lap, so we could do another traffic jam car spotting by now. But I want to say I'm actually going to include a piece of an onboard because it shows a new system of the Nürburgring, the new digitalization AI system. It actually predicted us that it's going to be wet the next corner, while half the track was dry and half the track was wet. So it's definitely going to save lots of accidents, also lives probably, who knows. It sounds weird. Hopefully it's going to save a lot of lives. Hopefully it's just going to get a lot of people out of trouble, whatever is just damage or actually something much worse. So I'm very happy to see that in working. MG GTR with some big wing. Big wing, yep. Kona N is also, by the way, a car I still need to drive and want to drive one day. Look at all those Cosworths.
Wow.
Holy. I know that car. Drove it last year. Hello.
Hey.
Yes, please. Yes. Big yes. We're back in one piece and we are waiting for the track to reopen again. Yes, it's closed again and also wet. So as mentioned, I will be driving this half carbon fiber Clio later. What's underneath the bonnet? Is it also all carbon?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
It's
yet,
going
but
to be.
It's coming. There was a carbon engine cover on it, but I've just taken it off. Just more airflow, but it's obviously carbon. Sometimes when it touches metal, causes damage. But
Nice.
yeah, so making battery cover, carbon cover, but then cutting the section out the back, so obviously the coil pack and all of that's done. But yeah, then it's forged carbon underneath here.
Yeah,
Bit
very
dirty,
nice.
but yeah.
Very cool, very cool. Yeah, we're gonna wait for it to dry out because the car is on air once, and yeah, it's not the best idea to go out in the full wet. But otherwise, it should be lots of fun. So, what power it running?
210.
210, nice. Oh, proper wheel. Very cool, very cool. Also forged carbon here.
800 grams.
Wow. So are you like making it yourself, or what's the story behind it?
So I found a company just before lockdown who I went to called Fiberworks.
Yeah.
They turned around and said they could do what I wanted to do and turn everything carbon. And yeah, went to them during lockdown to drop off a phase 1 172 rear bumper and a 197. And they said, "What are you doing?" And I said, "Nothing." And they said, "Well, come in and actually do it yourself."
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've
Nice.
actually learned a new skill. You know, I'm a chef.
That's so
completely
cool.
different trade.
That's nice. That's nice. Awesome. Well, we're gonna wait for the track to reopen, and yeah, hopefully we can get some fun lap today with this, and also a couple of more cars. No, I'm not driving the R33, although it's wet and we could use a boat. And here is the EG that we ran into at the track at the roundabout. So you blew up your engine last year, right?
I did.
So what do you have now?
It's a K24.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, the second one. So my K20 blew up because my oil baffle, the pins exploded and grenaded my engine. The second time I literally braked a bit too late and hit the curb.
Yeah, I remember.
So, a bit of oil was there.
Yeah.
But now.
Show us the goodiness. Show us the goodiness. Very exciting. I mean, that's one of the most viewed cars on my channel, maybe, but definitely like TikTok, Instagram. It had millions of views. I think like over 10 million or so. A lot. Ah, like so sexy. So nice, so beautiful. So you're from MIMS, I guess?
Yeah, I am.
Nice.
I made a whole weekend out of this. So.
Yeah, no. Too bad the weather is what it is.
Yeah. I brought my AR1s on the top of my roof on a roof rack.
Ah, yeah.
I'm on NS2.
Oh yeah, yeah. Of course, for these conditions, why not?
It works.
It works. Yeah. Amazing. So what's the red line of this one now then?
I limited it at 8.
Okay.
So 8.5 is possible as I changed the oil pump.
Mm-hmm.
But a bit lower saves the engine. So.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And LSD right now, so combination AR1 cage.
Mm-hmm.
It
Nice.
works. Another alignment.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. So yeah, let's hope that it's gonna open. We can do a lap today, preferably, because tomorrow you'll be probably at the boulevard parked
I
up.
will be doing laps as well.
Yeah.
So
Okay. We'll have some time. A different part of Traffic Jam Vibes vlog. We are now. First, gonna say it to an old friend of mine. I think it's an old friend of mine. Maybe. Is it? It is my old friend. Hello.
Hey,
Where's the S2000?
broken GPS sensor
Oh no.
and not on ITV, so it's
Oh no.
really kaput.
Sadness. But that's also nice. EK4.
EJ9
Ah,
with the darkness sleeve B series.
nice.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. All right. Well, enjoy. Have fun.
Yeah.
See you at Memes maybe.
Yeah. Bye.
More Type R's. Ah, an EF. Lovely. So beautiful. Look at that plate. And look at that. It's Vika. Hi there. How many people you think gonna be upset with this title and driving NS6 on the second channel? On this channel. And it's
It's not clickbait.
yeah, because I'm actually said that it's not on this channel.
Yeah, of course.
So because we have this channel for like stuff like this, me talking nonsense about how I love cheesecakes, and I would love to have a Feijoa cheesecake. On that note, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and Gio can insert some sunset pics that he just took on his stroll, not land stroll, walk stroll. Actually, there's going to be a food shot, definitely, because I'm getting chicken hearts tonight. Chicken hearts with rice. Not for you. No.